Want to download images from Google on your Windows PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Next, go to google.com. Once you open it, search for the image you want to download. Once the search results appear, click on the Images tab at the top of the page. Now, click on the image you want to download to open a larger preview. Before downloading the image, make sure you have permission to use it, especially if you plan to use it for commercial or public purposes, as some images are protected by copyright. Next, right-click on the image and select Save Image. Choose the folder where you want to save the image. Give it a name if you'd like, and then click Save. And that's it! Your image has now been downloaded and saved to your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.